done thought that. Oh yeah, I'm back at it. I ought to take this heat to the rock like crack addicts. Jigga probably fuck with it like his fat palace. Relax, that smack habits, and the only URL I'm with is us rated addicts. Damn it, I remember in that bus painting patterns with the pen game. Get distracted trying to text games. End up riding over borders through the exchange. Hold up. Fuck you mean you done forgot us? You don't remember trying to cross me and my brothers. You took the money, then you slid and never called us. Thought you gone forever, look now Poppy, we done caught up. And I want it all like Keenan Cooley and PRO. And before I fall, the whole world gon' feel my flow. Keep those homies, let's start up a brand new business kind of bro. Keep that baby, keep the Porsche, I see you in one of those. I promise to hold you close to the good and go all the roads. I'm addicted to the real homie, that's just how it goes. Cause where I grew up, it's a different kind of approach. You get the pussy, lose the money, then the fucking curtain goes. But the toughness made me a man that came with a plan. And the shit I've done, I could have easily laid in the can. Man, I took my story, I